So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to try to search for your phone settings in your phone. So when you get to it, then tap on it to open it. Then after that, try to search for apps or apps and notification. Then you tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on see or apps. After doing this, what you have to do is to try to search for your Gmail app. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. And if that's tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other device. You have to make sure the background data is turned on like this. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone, Google Play Store. Then after that, you try to search for Gmail. When you find your Gmail, then you tap on it to open it. Then after that, you tap on update over here to get the latest update of Gmail. So after updating your Gmail app, what you have to do is to restart or reboot your device. So to restart or reboot your device, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. When this pop up, just tap on restart or reboot, then tap on OK, and your device is going to be restart or reboot. So after restarting and rebooting your phone, you're going to see your phone turning on automatically, and this problem is going to be fixed, and you can now, use this Gmail app. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.